promised some time ago when I had the thing in place. I'll make another video. So this is it. We have it in place already. We just need to connect the holes here so we can have the diesel from the tank to the engine. But looks good. Looks good to me. What do you think? Leave in the comments below your thoughts. Looks pretty good to me. Please leave in the comments below if you like it or not. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please give me a like. It helps YouTube to, spread my videos around. It helps to grow my channel too. I'm counting on you. And we have to fix this one. As you can see, it's broken right here. So this is it. Give me a like, share, subscribe, leave comments in the comment section below. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Appreciate that.